Morning guys, July 1st, 2022. This one here I gotta go to a chapel, and I guess they had a problem with the AC. They got some real old systems in here. Real old. And I used to work for the older guy, but I guess he's passed on and the daughter's the new preacher now, so. I've worked with these people over the years. I have worked on these systems and added gas to them years ago. They're old systems. So we'll go over there and see if we get it going. I guess she's got a couple of weddings she's gonna do over the weekend. She called me last night in a flipping panic. AC's not working. So we'll see, Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Miss Molly. Another damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Anyway, we'll go over there and see what the hell's going on with this stuff. See what the filters look like. I think they got extra filters and stuff they had there last time I was there. We'll see. These are, wait till you see this stuff. Real old.
Turn right on North Street.
1970 vintage type of stuff, you know. The old R22, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, that's a good stuff, Miss Molly. This is the one we're gonna check to make sure the. It's got a cassette one here too. On the ceiling. Dearly beloved, gathered here today to marry Itchy and Scratchy. Dearly beloved. The filters first. Sounds wonderful. Got some old shit in here, Mama. Oh man, it's got some old shit in here, Mama. There's the basement, and this is an old. Look at this beast. Looks like it got wet here. It must have iced up. See all this water on the floor? I'm gonna check the fan filter. No, not too bad. Looking crazy dirty. Good enough for this neighborhood. Definitely is all wet, so it iced up. Just definitely. See, we'll probably have to add some gas to it. She's not worried about this one. She just wants to get the ones in the chapel working. Automatic. See what happens. See if it runs outside. This is the one here. But it's low. R22. Shut it off till I get my gauges on it. She needs a little juice. We'll get out of here today. Get our gauges on it, and we'll see if there's any gas in it. Amazing. It's still working. I can tell she was running it iced up. I know it's low on gas. All that. That's a no-brainer. That's a no-brainer. Gonna be low on dinosaur juice for sure. I need to get some jism juice in there. I need to get some jism juice in there, Mama. A little gas in there. Are we gonna be low? How low will she go? Keep an eye on our suction. That should be above 60. See how it's dropping? Give it a minute. See how we're dropping? It's too low. Needs some juice. Give it a minute here. No good. We're gonna give it some gas. See that? 40, 42? It's too low. We're gonna give it some juice. Give it some loving. Now 22. 40 psi is 17 degrees. See it? We were 42, so right about 19 degrees. That's why it ices. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Give it a little love in here. Everybody needs a little loving. Alright, let's see where we're at here now. Watch this superheat here. We gotta bring this down. We were right around 60. I mean, let's let it sit there for a bit and see if this starts dropping. We don't want to overshoot it. Right now we're watching this superheat. See, we're at 33, and we're still gonna need to add a little bit more. See, it's not dropping. Well, maybe a little bit here. Let's give it a minute. Subcooling. We can't go by that. It's a piston. We'll give it a little bit more and bring this down. Give it a little bit more juice. A little bit more jism juice, Mama. Now, as far as our head pressure looks good at 220. The subcooling might come down. I mean, if you put this cover on properly, it might help. It's amazing this thing's still running. A Magic Chef, made in the USA. Alright. So you're at 60 here with our suction, which is above freezing. Right around 20 with our superheat. It's R22. Our head pressure's at 225, which is fine. I mean, our subcooling's a little off, but it's an old piece of shit, right? Just keep an eye on this and don't start dropping too low. probably going to be good right there. Alright, so we're right around 12, 13 on the superheat. Leave it there. If I put any more in it to bring the suction up, this will drop. This will come back. You'll flood the compressor, so you can't do it. You gotta kind of look at everything, and you gotta kind of determine what's the best thing to do. I mean, if I put too much in it to bring this up, this will start dropping. No good. I'm gonna leave it right there. Filter wasn't bad downstairs. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut it off, and then I'm gonna take the cover off and do my thing there. Amazing the thing's still running, huh? Crazy. Don't make shit like this no more. I'll have to check the cassette one too. I think that there was a I would say this is probably in the early 70s. Can't tell, everything's off it. It's all specifications. I don't want to get too radical about it. So this one's ready to go. I guess she said this basement one's been working okay. Yeah, that one's fine. Now, this is the next one we gotta check. I think this was a Sanyo. It's a mini split. I checked this one. I think this one was low in gas too. So this one here, we put it on 75 and just so it cools down and it's not crazy amount. We'll leave it. And we gotta check this mini split one here, this one too. Dearly beloved. Dearly beloved. Oh, it's set for 64. See it? Temperature. Filter looks fine. We'll check this one outside too. Filter. Oh yeah, this one is definitely not cooling. I don't think this one's even coming on. On this thing. Remember, right, it's really hard to open or something. Just clear it. Pink valve, I think. She's out. Oh, good. This one's not working. This one's not working. This one's dead. Shut the king valve off before you remove that. Back it off all the way out. Now I can take this off. If not, this will just squirt out. So this thing's DOA, dead on arrival. You should be alright with the first floor one, I'm thinking. You ain't gonna get it fixed today. DOA, dead on arrival. Pulling in the vacuum, that's not good. It's out of gas. This is an R22 unit. Serial number to 2000, looks like. Serial number, so it's a 2000. It's a 3-ton. 3/4 line set. 3/8. So it goes up into the attic. Pulling in the vacuum, I mean, that's no good. So this one here is DOA. This basement one's working, and we put gas in that first floor one. Should be able to get them by. She wants it at 70, and that unit's not working. I told her that she needs a new system there. That one's off. Is it gonna be enough? I'm not sure. I guess she'll find out. She says that she's not going to want to pay the money to have this one replaced. That's what she said. So we're going to leave it on cooling, and we'll see what happens. It's working. Here's a crusty one. Here's a crusty one.